Of course, it's the weekend. I'm thinking to myself, what the hell? I just, you can't see them exactly. There they are. Oh, tiny birdies. Oh, looks like someone's fed them. That's all right. There's a lot of families, different people out. And they're fighting again. Look at his stinky blight. Oh, it's all over the seats as well. Huh. Well, these are appropriate duck food. So at least or bird feed. So that at least that's appropriate. So much. All right. My anxiety is really affecting me for no reason. Fruit. Healthy duck feed, waterfowl food, specifically. Oh, yes. Oh, wait a sec.